Hi guys, welcome to my new channel. My name is Noel. Today I'm going to introduce my new channel to you guys, which is basically going to deal with beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So I just want to welcome you to this space, and the reason why I'm doing this guys is because I feel it's prudent for me to introduce first to you guys who this girl is before starting to upload videos. So already I said I'm going to do fashion, beauty and lifestyle, and already you know my name is Noel. So why am I doing this now? It's because guys, I've been doing this offline and I felt like it's unfair. I feel like we have to share this together. So I feel like I'm very passionate in this. So I'm urging you guys to subscribe, comment, like and share, and tap that notification bell in case I upload a new video. You'll be the first person to be alarmed and enjoy the content. Guys, let me not just close this video like this. We are talking about fashion and oh my god, it's coincidental. My nails are matchy with my dress. That's what we are talking about, guys. Let me show you the outfit of the day so you can see. Thank you guys for watching. On to the next one. Au revoir.